In this video, we are going to learn about the different kind of text effects that you can create using Canva and the graphic elements that Canva offers. What are these different kind of text effects we are going to learn today? Let's see. That's the first text effect that we're going to see. This is the second one. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth one. This is the sixth. And this is the seventh one. Okay, let's quickly jump onto creating these text effects by ourselves. Okay, so today for these text effects we will be using this white screen. You can use it on any of the sizes that you want, be it for creating social media posts or creating your thumbnails or banners or whatever it is. You can use these text effects almost wherever you want. But yeah, we are going to use this size of the screen, this size of the canvas. And the first text effect would be this, the beaded text effect. What exactly is this? How does it work? It looks great, yeah? Okay, so let's jump on to creating this text effect by ourselves. The keyword that we have to use is this. The keyword that we have to use is this, which will get us to the text effects from the elements library. Come to a blank screen, you go to graphics, and we write the keyword that we just copied. Let us copy it from here. Come to this place. Okay. If you see, we have all the beaded letters over here. And when you see these beads, you will see two different type of effects that are here. This is one, and this is the second one. So the difference, if you see, one has a purple shadow, the other one has a gray shadow on the right and on the left. So these are the two different types of text effects that you can use. We will be using one of them. So for that, let's make the background dark, and now come back to this. Okay, so we write the word great, G-R-E-A-T. Okay, now we have all the letters at one place. Make them a little smaller. Now we align them. G. Alright. And how do we make all of these aligned equally? We select them all. We go to positions and we click on tidy up. So now all of them are equally placed. We bring them to the center. Cool. Here it is. That's pretty easy. Now there are a lot of things that you can do over here. You can change the color depending on your brand colors. So let's say you want this to be red and you want all of them to be red. If you want all of them to be red, we simply copy this using the copy style. We click on this and we select all of them. So all of them are in red. You see how it works? Let's once again do it. Okay, that's because possibly, let's copy this as well. Okay, that looks awesome. Now over here, if you want to make it exactly the same as the previous one, we can simply switch over the ones that are in gray to white. So you can make different kind of changes by simply changing the color, the elements. So this, if you see, it now looks similar to the first one. Similarly, we can do this change over here. Okay, the one that's, sorry, yeah, here we have. So you can use your brand colors to make the text look how they want to look, but that is how the beaded pattern comes. The next text effect would be this. Looks crazy, looks beautiful, isn't it? Okay, so what is the keyword that we will have to use to get this text effect? Let's see it for ourselves. Select, this is the keyword that we'll have to use to get this text effect. Click on elements, delete this, we copy it and we select it. So you see all of these letters and different kind of texts we have are over here. And to replicate this design, let us come to a blank canvas. Let us come to a blank canvas, make the background green, and now what do we see? N-E-A-T. Okay, let's go back to elements. Since I've already copy pasted it, we go to graphics. Always make sure that you're going to graphics, and now we select the letters that we want. N, E, A, we need T, and we need A. Here we have the letters that we want for ourselves. So T comes somewhere here. Okay, N comes somewhere here. N, E. Okay, here we have. We can also use some other elements to design using the same text effect. So good vibes only could be something that we can use. Well, whatever you want to decorate the elements with. Now if you see this, we have it here, something similar to this, and you want to change the colors, you can select them all, or you can select them one by one. So we make it white, we copy it, we paste it to all, so all of them are white now. We bring them here, we can change the color of this from the colors that we have over here, and here we have this neat but something very beautiful looking text pattern. Yeah, okay, so should we move to the next one, or you want me to wait? Let's move to the next one. The next one is the spray painting one. Looks good, looks real. Okay, what do we need to use for this? We use a blank canvas like before. This is the keyword that we'll have to use. We go to the keyword. First of all, make the background black. You can use it depending on your brand color. Select the keyword, we go to graphics, and we get all the words that we want. T, it's coming in white. Okay, TI. We need P, T again. T comes in black color for some reason. Go back to the elements, graphics. What are we left with? O, O, and P. Here we have all the letters that we want. So what we do is next we make them small, bring them in the center, and now align them. T, O, P. Okay, T, I, P. Here are the two T's. We get them of the same size. We increase the size of T in line with this. Bring it closer. To make them all of similar alignment, we use the tidy up function. Here we have the spray painting, and you'll see a lot of different type of effects that are created using the spray paints. So we change it. You'll find a lot of different text effects over here. Let's say we want to use this. So these are all graphical animated text effects. So we can, this looks good. So there are a lot of options that you have and you can use to make your graphics look a lot better, a lot professional, and a lot of whatever you want. So that was the spray effect. The next text effect that we want to see is this one. I love this one. This is my favorite one. Okay, and how do we get this? We have to use this keyword. We copy the text, but before that, let's make the background red. Then we go to elements. We select graphics and put the keywords. So that's my name that I have used over there. So S it is, E it is. We have W. We have A again, and N. Then we can also use these different texts if you want to, in different ways. Now we align all the text. Here we have the letters at one place. We once again go tidy things up so that they are of the same size. Now we can easily change the colors. Let's say we want to make it all white, and we also want to change the textures. Do you see how beautiful it looks? We want to copy this for all others. Done. Here we have this beautiful looking text effect created using Canva. The next one, that's also lovely. Can we change it to something else? It's okay, you can do whatever you want. For this we need this keyword, and copy this. Come here, change the color of the background. Let's make it yellow. We go to elements, we go to graphics, copy paste the keyword, and here we have all the words that we want. So we want the words, the letters L, O, then we need V. It's right here. So LOV. This looks a little bigger than the others. We make them all the same size. We once again use the tidy up feature. Okay. Now, as always, you can change the color of every single one, or you want to copy the color of this to all others. You can simply do this. Here we have this beautiful text effect. Okay. The next one. The next text effect is this. This looks different, unique, but can be very useful when you're doing some or creating some graphic posts, social media posts or something. This can be very, very, very useful. What's the keyword for this? This Canva cutout sustainability. Yeah, looks like sustainable texts. Okay, here it is. We go to elements, we select graphics, and we put up the keyword. Here it is. What do we want to write? Let's write the letter green G, double E, and N. Here we have all of them. We bring them at one place. I center it. So double E, and here we have the word ready. We tidy it up, and then we can always use a lot of different elements and different stuff that this element has to offer, the different drawings and stuff like this. Here we have. Here you do not have the option of changing the colors. These are like images, but they would go well with, or if you need them to put up in social media posts or somewhere, they would look really great. Okay, and then the next type of text effect, the seventh one that would be, is something when you're doing something for your kids, creating a post or creating a YouTube thumbnail for the kids for some you see how it looks like, beautiful. Okay, so the keyword over here would be this. We come to a new page once again. We select the background, go to elements, select on graphics, and here we have whatever we want to create. So we're going to write Teddy, T, double E, D, and we need Y. Let's look for Y. It would be somewhere down here. Okay. So we arrange it as we want it to be. Now I see that there are different sizes. So what I do is make it the same size. Okay, here we have. We arrange them, which I tidy it up, everything off. Because some of them were of bigger sizes, so we do something to make it all same. Here we have. We tidy it once again, and here we have. You can then further use some other design elements like this and this to decorate the text, make it look better. Rotate it, put it over here. Okay, so these were the 7 different text effects that you can use for yourself to make your designs look more professional, more beautiful, and more relevant to whatever you are doing.